going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded a video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this haircut. It's about a mid fade, dropping it a little bit once we get towards the back, and my client does have a nice comb over. So getting straight into it, the first thing I'm gonna be doing is saturating my client's hair down with water and making sure that I'm combing his hair in the direction that I want it to lay. Right here I'm starting to part out his hair. He likes to have his part around where his corner of his lineup is, so I'm basically just sectioning out the hair to create a nice natural part. So now to cut the top, I always like to start off in the middle of his head. I'm gonna create my first initial guideline at the very front, and then I'm gonna start working my way all the way to the back. And when I'm working all the way to the back, I'm slightly grabbing a little bit more hair each time I'm going back, just so that the front is a little bit longer than the back. I feel like that makes the comb over flow a lot better. So now on this side is going to be the exact same thing, starting off from the very front and working my way all the way back, just connecting those guidelines. Now for this side, since his hair is going to be laying down on this part, I always like to pinch my fingers to kind of make like a little C, because when I'm doing that, it's going to be cutting it from short to long and connecting it to the middle of his head. So now that the top is trimmed down, now I'm going in with the blow dryer just to kind of get everything to lay exactly how I want it to lay, and just to really make sure that the hair is completely dry before I go in with the clippers. And you guys know, when you guys are fading into dry hair, it's a lot easier to cut, and it's going to be easier to fade into the shape. So now to begin the fade, I'm gonna start by debulking the area that I'm gonna need to fade. I have the 1.5 guard attached to my clipper. I have the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna begin to debulk the area where I'm gonna begin to fade. Now I'm going to be using some clipper over comb just to go ahead and blend in that 1.5 in to the side. I have no guard on my clipper, but I have the lever at the all the way open position. So I'm just going to be going in with the comb, grabbing the section, making sure that I'm seeing the shortest section and kind of flaring out as I'm getting to the top. Now here I'm using my balders just to go ahead and set in the bald guideline. And when I'm doing this, I'm making sure that I'm not missing any hair, just because the more efficient you are, the less steps that you have to go back to do, and all that just takes time at the end of the day. Now here I'm going in with the Stylecraft shavers just to go in and clean everything up, making sure that it's nice and bald. So now to start the fading process, I'm using my cordless senior with the lever all the way open, and I'm gonna go ahead and create my first initial guideline by going up about an inch. And when I'm doing these steps, I'm really trying not to dig in too much, just because I feel like the softer that you leave these lines, the easier it is gonna be to blend it all out. Now I close the lever all the way, and I'm gonna continue to blend up the bottom line, going up about 1/4 of an inch every single time. Now here I'm continuing to open up my lever slightly, and like I said, we're gonna be doing this every single time, going up about 1/4 of an inch up until that bottom line is completely blended out. Now here I have the number 1 guard attached to the clipper with the lever all the way open, and we're gonna continue to go up about another inch, and now I'm really making sure that I'm flicking out right there, just because we're getting close to where we had previously set our 1.5 guard open guideline. So by making sure at the very top that you're flicking out, it's really not going to be creating such a hard line once you get to the very top. So now here I have the 1/2 guard, and I like to blend down. Now at this point I start off with the lever all the way open, right? Now I close the lever all the way, and then I'm gonna start knocking out the bottom light slightly, little by little. And again, I'm really not trying to go in too deep because I really don't want to create another guideline. Now here I'm opening up the lever at the halfway position, and this is really gonna finish out the blend right here on the side. Now here I'm doing a little bit of detail work at the very top, just really trying to finalize that blend at the very top. Now I know a lot of the times using the shavers we could be left with a really harsh line at the very bottom, but I like to grab my trimmers and really only using about like the 1/4 of the blade. I'm going in just tapping that bottom line that I see, just to really try to finalize the fade. So now on the beard I'm going to be doing the exact same steps, except the fade is going to be going downwards. Now for his hairline, I'm not going to be going too crazy. I'm really just trying to follow his natural hairline just to sharpen it up a little bit. Now to finish this haircut, I am going to be using this rolda pomade. I like using this product for comb over, slick backs, any type of hairstyle like that. It works really good and it smells great. Now here I'm just working in the pomade with the brush and just finalizing the hairstyle just by making sure it looks nice and perfect. Well, you guys, thanks for staying till the end. This video I had recorded a while back and finally decided to upload it. I'll be trying to make a comeback on YouTube, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I appreciate everyone and hope you have a blessed week. Love y'all. Peace.